Hello my expanded pandas, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Cassie here. Today I am pretty excited. I'm eating Wendy's. So anyways guys, it's been so long since I made a video. I've just had all sorts of things going on, well, the main reason is because my phone broke, so that definitely delayed my video making because I couldn't take any videos on my phone, which is where a majority of my videos are taken. Water. And they gave me napkins. Where's my fork? Oh my gosh, I don't know where my fork went. Oh, you know what? I was sitting on it. Okay, so anyways, I'm gonna take a bite of these chili cheese fries first because they're so good. I'm in a little bit of a rush right now because I took so long deciding what I wanted to eat. Now the boys are going to be done with their appointment soon. So last night was my second to last night working at my job that I've had for almost 9 years. So it's a little very weird. Okay, so first one is gonna be the bourbon one. This is honestly the least appealing to me, but maybe it'll change. Maybe my mind will change. It does look delicious though, doesn't it? Don't look at my face, look at the burger. Oh. Okay, first bite of burger. It's very sweet. I think that's why it's not my hugest favorite burger, because I'm definitely more of a savory person than a sweet person. I'm not sweet, I'm just kidding. Okay, anyways, I'm a little overtired right now, so if I'm acting weird, we'll just say that's why. Okay, this one is, what is it? The pub burger with the pretzel bun. Oh, it looks so good. Okay, first bite of this one. Cheers. So good. Tonight, I would say tomorrow, but it's really tonight. Well, it is technically tomorrow, but so we're leaving around 1 to 2 in the morning to go to Long Island, to the Long Island Reptile Expo. Sell some axolotls. Mm. Ah, there's a bee. Sorry about that. Had a little freak out moment. Should I take another bite of this one or should I go over to the Dave's? Can't decide. This one's getting messy. Mm-mm. Pretty bomb. Mm. I can't go anywhere in this town and do mukbangs without somebody screaming in the background at somebody. That was just an angry mom yelling at her children. Last time I tried to film a Wendy's mukbang. So we're like some like crackheads fighting right next to me, like all of a sudden they were just screaming at each other. I didn't post it. Kind of made the vibe of the video a little weird. Oh my gosh, it's getting super hot. Do-do-do-do. Last night at work got a little oh my gosh, that bee is back. Sorry. So anyways, last night at work was a little scary because this kid Dylan fell, hit his head, and then his head is just bleeding. So I was like, what the fuck? You know, I looked at it. Didn't look that bad, I don't think. The bleeding was like stopping. And so I had my friend Adam bring him home into his house. But it was like, I mean, it was just like intense, you know? I don't like being like the person that's like, oh, in charge when something like that happens, because it's like, do we need to go to the hospital? Or am I just overreacting? But Dylan called me this morning. Well, because I called him like 3 times, all worried. But he called me back and he said he's fine. So I was just being overly worried. I'm gonna go back in to get the boys and they're gonna be like, what happened to you? I'm just covered in burger schmutz. Felt like a cut on my hand. My ring like smashed into my finger and cut it. Oh yeah, speaking of rings, since we since we last spoke, you guys, your girl got engaged. So that's pretty exciting. Been pretty excited about it. I mean, I always knew this was gonna happen anyways with Mike. Like literally told every boyfriend I've ever been with that I was gonna marry him anyways, so it didn't really matter. But now that it's actually here and I know I'm not just like a crazy person, feels pretty good. Feels pretty awesome. Oops. Oh my gosh. I can't stop hiccuping. What else has happened? I'm trying to think of things that have happened since, because I feel like before I made this video, I was thinking like, oh, there's so many things I need to catch up about. But now I'm like having a complete blank. I don't know what I'm doing with this food. I haven't been doing my mukbangs, and so I feel like I haven't been getting my body used to like eating more food. Because, and I've been also trying to like be more conscientious of how much I'm eating, and it's surprising because like this is actually making me pretty full. I noticed that like my belly like capacity was shrinking because we went to like one of our favorite restaurants, and I get the same thing every time I go there, the Suiza enchiladas. And last time I went, I like almost didn't finish my meal. And like I always finish my meal, but I was like so full. I was like, oh, can I do it? I did it because I was like, I'm not gonna take it home. That bee is back. No, don't come in. No, bee, back off. Please. Oh, jeez. I really like the beer sauce on this, if that's even what it is. I had like a family come in the other night. No, last night. It was like family weekend at one of the private high schools, middle schools near me. Now I was just thinking about it, and like it's kind of crazy to me that like I don't know, like high schoolers and stuff just can go off like it's like they're at college, but they're still only kids, so like I don't know. I think it's kind of crazy. I mean, they're really good schools, so like it is like good for them, I guess, but it's still like weird to me kind of, just because, you know, you're missing all that time with your family and your kid. You're just sending them off to like a boarding school. The kid who was there last night, I think he was like 13, and he's been like living in the dorms. What do you guys think about that? Does it weird you out like it weirds me out? Maybe some of you went to private schools and dormed. Like, what was your experience like? I'm just like interested to know if it's like more cool. I mean, I guess for some people it might be like cool to not have to like stay with your family, and because it's like going to college early, really, and like that's cool. I guess you could hang out with your friends all the time, room with friends. Whew. All right, well, I didn't eat that bourbon bacon burger, but I'm really full now, so I did eat the other burgers. So I'm gonna call it good, and I'm gonna go head over because I gotta go get the boys in a few minutes. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, please, and subscribe. That red button down there. And I will try to make another video soon. I actually have another video that I made like 2 nights ago that I thought posted, but it didn't post, so I still have to post that one too. I don't know if I want to post that one first or after. Decisions. Anyways, that was too much explaining, so I'll let you go. Bye.